What is up, everybody? It's Ryan from Reformation Designs. I wanted to give you guys a quick heads up and a reminder that this Thursday at 4:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, I'm going to be interviewing my friend Jenna, and she has her own jewelry company. She actually generated over $70,000 in revenue just in her sales through her online store, Etsy, and Amazon. And so I'm going to be talking to her about what that looked like for her, how she was able to figure out all the ins and outs of what it looks like to build a business from the ground up, and also the importance of branding as it pertained to maintaining her brand integrity over time, because now she has a growing and consistently growing group of fans and followers and friends who have really loved her jewelry. Her work has been featured in a number of Hollywood productions, I believe, as well as there's some pretty big name artists and stuff who are coming across her work because she has just been consistent over time with the things that she's been making, and she's learned a lot of things along the way. So that's what we're going to be talking about. The show is going to be called Branding 103, Making and Selling Your Own Stuff. And I'm going to be also talking about how we've done that over the years with our stuff, being able to brand ourselves more and really kind of lean into owning our business, owning our creative stuff, especially as we start putting our work on other things like backpacks. This is actually originally a piece of art that I designed on my iPad like probably 5 or 6 years ago. And just as technology has increased and as we have learned new ways to put our work on actual physical objects, it's really transformed our business. It's really transformed the way that we look at running our business, because now not only do we have the service side of our business, but we also have the product side. So we help people with their branding, we help people bring their products to life and their ideas to life, but we also have our own line of clothing and swag and stuff that we're basically just taking stuff that I made years and years ago, and that my wife made, and my people on my team made years and years ago, and we've just been working with it and building over time. And over that time, you start figuring out, oh wow, I can take this here and put it over here, and that'll make money for me in the background. And I can take this art piece and put it on a t-shirt and then put that in my online store. And so you start looking at your creative business from a place of assessing the resources that you have and figuring out how to put those pieces together to work for you instead of you working for your business. So that's some of what we're going to be talking about on this show on Thursday. That's this week, and that is going to be at 4:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time on my Facebook Live. I hope to see you guys there. If you have any questions or particular things that you're struggling with, definitely let us know. If you are looking for any help bringing your creative ideas to life, whether that's a new business, a nonprofit, maybe you're an artist who's trying to figure out ways to monetize your work and start an actual business with what it is that you're creating in your spare time, definitely let us know. Those are the people that we like talking to the most. So if you hit us up at reformdesigns.biz, you can book a free consultation right there, and we will chat with you about what it would look like to make your ideas happen. Also, if you go to logos.reformdesigns.biz, we are running some branding package specials right now, where we basically will help you get your logo, your business cards, your social media, even your website and your own products and stuff like that. We can put all of that stuff together for you and have a nice little business in a box style brand builder package. So if you go to logos.reformdesigns.biz, you can check that out there. Thanks again for tuning in. I'll see you guys soon. Cheers.